Welcome back to another episode of Stuffed Scram or Stuffed Moto. What would you recommend? Let's go! Another ride, another day. And it's getting much colder again. Finally paved the road again. About bloody time. Oh, can't go that way. Go up and around and over. Tell you what though, the road certainly feels like really easy to follow with the bigger wheel. We're still going to take our time. Nice turn. Gotta adjust these bloody mirrors properly, man. So I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna go grab some drinks from the shop first, and then make my way. So before my entry to work, I have to collect some cardboard boxes for the other half to do deliveries with. I do apologise for the wind noise, if any. I've got to have the visor up, it's really hard to see. Tinted visor. Around and back should be okay. If I go the way the sat-nav tells me to, and then work at it that way. Obviously I can't brake 45 miles per hour, so gets up there fast though. I'm hoping it'll be alright. But I'm gonna have to put my visor down. Oh cool. So this is gonna take me all the way down to Rogerstone. Let's get her up there, boys! Sitting at 40 comfortably behind this beautiful red car in 5th gear, keeping it well balanced. That's looking better. I can see a lot going on now. Fat ass feet keep hitting the side protector for the brake. It's quite funny actually. Can't wait to be able to open this baby up a little bit when she's running more. It'll be awesome. It's going to be great. She definitely runs very well for 45 miles per hour at 6k, so obviously it's not many k's after that, about 2 more k before it hits red line, but it's not going to be one of your typical sport bike or you know, Honda or anything like along those lines. It's one of those bikes that, you know, it's a nice little style, nice chill ride, enjoy the ride, and yeah, it's just constantly an enjoyable one. What I will need though is to start getting some warmer gloves on, because it's getting colder in the mornings. Right, so I need the second exit. I could have taken the other way as well, but the gearbox is so smooth, untainted. I really hope the other half hasn't got like a ton of boxes that I can't fit in my bag. I did want to bring my laptop home today. These 20-mile-per-hour speed limits in Wales are fucking ridiculous, man. I'm hoping that's a bit straighter, because it looked a bit wonky last time I was on camera. Good thing is about this road, I can just come straight back up along myself, get some energy drinks and some cola. Ebenezer Drive I need. Oh, you motherfucker, you bitch. Right, time to test the U-turn skills. Nice little circle. Hovering my feet down because I'm a little bitch. Let's try it again. Check for any cars coming down the side, check the front, check the back again. Oh, come by right. Right, so it's down here. Wait, what? 26. Well, the good thing is I can fit it all in my bag. Though I'm going to be a fucking while. But it looks like I'm not going to be bringing anything home today. fucking shit the wife makes me do, man. Stupid ass things I do. Fucking pick up shit. Few men now. Alright, let's go get this fucking pot. Right, gotta remember now how I got to where I need to go. And it's this road. Oh, it's always the women drivers.